In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an organization chart in ClickUp. We'll build a clean, easy-to-understand org chart using ClickUp's whiteboard view, and I'll walk you through each step so you can follow along with confidence. First, head to ClickUp. Open the app in your browser or desktop and make sure you're signed in so your work is saved as you go. If you're new to ClickUp, think of it as your central workspace for projects, docs, and visuals, all in one place. Next, choose the space you want. A space in ClickUp is like a department or a major area of work. Selecting the right space matters because your org chart will live there alongside the tasks and docs that relate to that team. If you manage multiple teams, pick the space where this chart makes the most sense to reference and maintain over time. Now, click on View. Views are different ways to look at the same information in ClickUp, and they sit at the top of your space or within a folder or list. You might already see things like List, Board, or Calendar. We're going to use a visual canvas so the hierarchy is crystal clear. From the View options, click on Whiteboard. This opens a blank canvas with endless options to create your chart. Start by placing your top role at the highest level. You can add a shape or card for this position, type the title, and, if helpful, include the person's name beneath it. Then add the next layer of roles below. Use connectors or arrows to show reporting lines so it's obvious who reports to whom. Keep building down the hierarchy, dragging items to keep everything tidy. A helpful approach is to map each level horizontally, like executive, directors, managers, and then individual contributors. Use color to group departments or functions so viewers can scan quickly. If your chart is complex, zoom out to see the big picture, then zoom in to fine-tune spacing and labels. Align tools can help keep rows straight and evenly spaced for a professional look. Add extra context where it helps, such as team locations, responsibilities, or open roles marked with a clear label. Keep titles consistent and concise so boxes remain readable. If two roles share responsibility, you can branch one box to multiple leads to show a dotted line relationship. As you work, your changes save automatically. When your layout is clear, take a final pass to check names, titles, and connections. That's it. Your organization chart is now set up in ClickUp's whiteboard, ready to reference and update as your team evolves.